When you've got cars and bikes going meow, 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 meow.
First, a few laps to warm up the car. Then, the driver accelerates into the next banked corner at about 155 miles per hour. Here the Veyron is only using 280 horsepower. It needs its remaining 721 horsepower to reach its top speed. When the car comes out of the banked curve and onto the straightaway, you floor it and hang on.
Warm up everything properly and then go to the curve, and then after that, the next straight, you do it.
At 253 miles an hour, the Veyron covers more than an NFL football field in 1 second. That's more than 4 miles in 1 minute. At max power, its turbochargers suck in the same amount of air in 1 minute that the driver would use to breathe for 4 days.
And all it is a hairdryer. How the hell are we going to be safe in the world?